Well, I finally did a little bit of grocery shopping. A little bit. Went to 2 places. Anyway, show you the mess I got. Well, to go with my half and half milk, half cream, I got this Winco Honey Graham Crunch, 12 ounces for $2.18. That's not bad. Oh, and then I needed ketchup, so I got some of this ketchup. Winco ketchup. No corn syrup. Corn? Corn syrup. And it was, right here, $1.73 for 20 ounces. That's not bad. And next, since I'm running low on beef because I made myself so many burgers last night, that was not shown on my video. Anyway, Winco was having they were having a discount on their 73% lean, because I like the fat. I don't like the real lean beef. Anyway, so where is it? The ground beef was on discount for $4.38. That's right, $4.38 per pound, which worked out to a little more than $8.50 for the 2 of them, for 2 pounds of ground beef. Then they had this farmland pork, ground pork, and I get this stuff because a lot of the ground pork out there it's been seasoned, so it's already seasoned. And since I share the meat products with my dog and my cat, I give them some of this before I season and cook it for myself. Same with the ground beef. Anyway, it was really cheap. It was where is it? Farmland sauce. So it was $2 and something cents for 1 pound, and it ended up being $5.38 for two of these, 2 pounds. But wait, there's more. Whoop. And here we have, since I'm feeling a little tired of cooking so I got this General Tso chicken for $4. It's just under 1 pound of Winco deli made chicken. Just put it in a microwave. And then here's something. Bacon. Now this is called economy bacon, smoked Winco. And it was only $2.90 per pound. This was the 1 1/4 of a pound for $3.80. $3.80. But wait, there's more. Now, I got these for my dog because I don't like chicken and pork hot dogs. But these chicken and pork hot dogs at Winco are constantly discounted. Are always discounted. They always have the discounted price sticker on the where you get the hot dogs at. And I've seen it as low as 25 cents for one. That was think that was last year. But anyway, they're usually 98. Let's see, we have it. 98 cents per pound. It's 1 pound. Oh no, it's 12 ounces. 98 cents for 12 ounces of cheapo hot dogs, which comes out to two of them $1.96. And these make good dog treats because they're 100% meat byproducts. No plant fillers. So I got those for my dog. Now, because we have finally hit 100 degrees Fahrenheit, summertime temperatures in the northern hemisphere where I live in southeastern Idaho, it's time. Oh, yeah. Yes. I make my summertime coolers with this. And how much was this? See, these are 16-ounce cans for $7.28. That's cheap. And this is real good for a hot day. Put it in the blender with some frozen fruit and yeah. Anyway. But wait, that's not all, because I went somewhere else. Yes, it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit today, and just a couple days ago, I got my little window-mounted air conditioner put in my living room. And it is barely keeping this living room at 72 degrees Fahrenheit. But wait, there's more! Now then, I went to another place where I find big deals. And let's see what I got. First of all, I needed some mayo. And look what I almost dropped it. Look what they had. Real mayo, real mayonnaise for $1.59. $1.59. What else did we have here? Oh, and I needed barbecue sauce, and look what they had. And there's no corn syrup in this barbecue sauce. It's got a lot of ingredients, but there's no corn syrup. But look at that, $1.99. Now, what else did I get? Let's see, what? Now, people are complaining about the price of aluminum. That's because aluminum prices are at record highs. And I needed some aluminum foil, and they had this 75 square feet of aluminum foil for $2.99. Yes. Oh, but is this the big deal of the day? Look at this. 2 pounds of institutional pack coffee beans. Called PL Brazilian House Blend. And at least once a year they get these institutional packs of coffee beans and ground coffee, whatever, that are usually for convenience stores or fast food restaurants. And I've always had luck with these. They always taste pretty good, especially for the price. So how much was this 2-pound bag of coffee beans? Hey, where is it? Kitchen. Oops. Oh, there it is. Coffee. $3.99. $3.99 for 2 pounds of coffee beans. But is that the big deal of the day? Well, my old blender took a crap on me. 20-year-old blender with a plastic pitcher. So I needed a new blender. Now, this one has a glass. It says it's glass. And I want that because glass cleans up better in the dishwasher machine. And what happened with my old blender is it started developing stress cracks in the plastic pitcher, in the plastic one. And then finally what happened last week is the bottom broke out from around where the blades are. It just fell out. I was like, well, I need one with glass. But there is a problem here. Oh yeah, let's show you how much I paid for this. $24.99. This big deal place, they'll get kitchen appliances, but everything's in beat up boxes, or they'll even have labels on them that say, please inspect for damage before use. So I guess I think I better inspect this sucker. Just make sure that everything's there and that the glass ain't broken.